issue with me, I want you to tell me. So, or if there's something I'm doing that's bothering you, I want to be told. Because I'm not perfect and I'm willing to change. I just need to know what's bothering you. A lot of people let things go under their radar and then, they'll just ghost you or whatever. And I just really appreciate people having an open and honest line of communication. And I know that in order for that to happen, you have to give them a safe space to open up to. So it's really just a balancing act of communication, and that's what I value most. Number 17. What is your most treasured memory? I will say, right now, at least, I have very treasured memories of my time as a caregiver. I was a caregiver in the healthcare field for about 3 years until COVID hit, and I created some really, really valuable memories with a lot of residents that I really cared about. And yeah, there's so many, obviously, that I'm not at liberty to talk about because of HIPAA laws and things like that, but there are so many memories with residents that I loved and adored, and I will cherish those memories forever, just like I cherish the memories with my own grandmother. Number 18. What is your most terrible memory? I feel like this is a very invasive question because it could be triggering, right? But most terrible memory. I'm not gonna say anything too deep because I just don't think that that's appropriate, but a really sad memory I have. I guess I'll relate it back to the healthcare field. I have a lot of really sad memories of watching the people that I loved and cared for pass away and suffer with, health ailments that were out of anyone's as well. Like, make sure everyone else around me, make sure my pets have a safe place, will be taken care of, you know, all the things. Okay. Number 20. What does friendship mean to you? Friendship means someone that you enjoy being around, someone that understands you, someone that you like, someone that is loyal to you, that treats you with respect, and someone that you enjoy being around. Friendships can vary in degrees of, you know, how much they mean to you. You can have friends for different reasons, and that's okay. You can have going out friends, hanging out at, you know, at each other's house friends, brunch friends, college friends, high school friends, mom friends. You can have all types of different friends. All it really means is people, like, to me, are people that you trust, people that you enjoy spending time with. Number 21. What roles do love and affection play in your life? I am an extremely affectionate person. I have not always been that way, though. As a child, you know, I have not always been that way. As a child, I was really resistant to that. Not as a child, as an adolescent, I was really, really resistant to affection and love. I wasn't very trusting, but at some point, I remember I was like 22 or 23, I kind of like blossomed and opened up after like going to therapy, and I'm such a loving and affectionate person now. As far as what roles do they play in my life, I don't really know what that means, if I'm being honest. They play big roles in my life, though. Love and affection means a lot to me. I like to receive it. I like to give it. Because I love to give affection to others in the form of caregiving, helping, whatever I can do. I like to serve others with that. So, they play a very important role in my life. If you can hear that, I'm so sorry. That is my washing machine. I unfortunately have to get up in the morning, so I'm washing some clothes. I'm so sorry. Number 22. Share something you consider a positive characteristic of a partner. Again, like we were talking about, transparency is very important to me. Oh my gosh, that sound is actually so annoying, though. I'm so sorry. Transparency is number one. Transparency. nice lady. What the fuck? She's really nice, and I do appreciate her, having her in my life for sure. So it's good. Number 25 is a we question, and there's only one of me, so I can't do that one. Hope that's okay. Number 26, complete the sentence. I wish I had someone with whom I could share. I don't really have anyone that I wish I could share something with that I don't already have. Like, I have a small family, and I have a partner, but I really get everything I need out of all of them, and my partner's family as well. Number 27. If you were going to become a close friend with your partner, please share what would be important for him or her to know. If I was going to become a close friend with my partner, I am a close friend with my partner. I'm sensitive, I guess. I'm not super sensitive to jokes, but it depends on the joke. Like, there's different kinds of jokes. I am not super, like, I can be prone to getting annoyed by, like, redundant jokes or, like not nice jokes. Like, unnecessary jokes, but I'm sensitive for sure, and I don't mean that in a bad way, like, oh, I can't hang, like, I can't handle anything, but I just have a very sensitive, like, soul. I cry about for other people, like, it just is what it is, so they would need to know that. Number 28 does not apply. Okay. When did you last cry in front of another person? And what about by yourself? I literally cried today. That's my cat. I literally cried today. My partner actually brought up something in the past that I didn't remember that I did, like with like something that like I did. We things I probably haven't told my parents and my grandma because, like, they just don't need to or want to know those things. But as far as, like, yeah, I don't really have anything. I'm just gonna be honest. I tell all my feelings, even if it's annoying, like, and it is. And it is annoying. Nobody needs to know every single thought that crosses your brain, Haley, but it is what it is. I tell everyone I love them all the time. I tell everyone to be safe all the time. I tell everyone how much I care and appreciate them all the time. Hi, little boy. Okay. Yeah, I don't think there's anything that I've left unshared, good or bad. Okay, we have 3 more questions. 2 more questions. A lot of these are like couples questions that you would need another person to answer. So, your house containing everything you own catches fire. After saving your loved ones and pets, you have time to make a final dash to save any one item. What would it be and why? My money, obviously, or my phone. Money, phone, wallet. That's it. Because phone. Yeah, phone and money. If I have any cash stored, that comes over the phone too. So, cash, whatever. Of all, yeah, that's it, guys. This other question is like super weird, and I'm not answering that. I hope that's okay. Excuse him in the back playing with my saran wrap. So that is all, guys, for this whispered ramble. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging with me tonight. I sure did. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you have not already. And I will see you guys soon.